Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I have in this video the Walmart beauty boxes for fall. I believe those are for fall because I got them so late. The other seasons I got them so late, the spring one in summer, anyway, doesn't matter. I think this is the fall one. I have the classic one and I have also the Trendsetter. I believe is the one for youngest. This one is my daughter box, so I will start with the classic one. And I have here is the, sorry for the noise. Here is the print of the box for this season. So let's go ahead and see what we have in the mature box. Embrace your beauty as usual. This is a show of your fabulous self. Here is the paper that comes in with the Nivea print. And let's see what we have in this one. Here is the box inside. And so far we have in here a Pantene Pro V Foam Conditioner. This is in 40 grams, which is 1.4 ounce. I just tried this one in samples of the week and it's a really nice conditioner like this one. Then we have in here a card and couple small samples. One of them is from Cetaphil. It's hydrating eye cream, is this one, and this one comes with 0.07 fluid ounces, 2 milliliters. Then we have in here another Cetaphil product. This is Gentle Cleansing Bar, which comes with 1 ounce, which is 28 grams. So is this guy. We have then a Nivea product, and this is 0.14 fluid ounce, 4 milliliters. This is 48 hour soothing moisture with aloe. We have a Kleenex product, and this is Wet Wipes Gentle Clean, 1 wipe, which looks like this. Always good to have it in your purse. Then we have a mascara which comes with the plastic seal, and I will leave this one for giveaways because has the seal. This is the Maybelline Great Lash, a very well-known mascara. Then we have in here couple more products. We have an Aveeno this one is Sheer Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. Looks like this. Then we have a face mask, and this one is from So A. It's Black Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. This one. Then we have my Collagen Hydrogen Lip Patch, still from the same brand, from So A, is this guy right here. And that's kind of all for the classic box. We have some information regarding the products that are in the box. So far, a lip mask, a face mask, a daily moisturizer, a bar soap, a wet wipe, another moisturizer from Nivea, the Cetaphil Eye Gel Cream, and the mascara from Maybelline, and the Pantene conditioner. So far there are a couple good items in this box. I'm telling you that because I tried them before, so probably most of the items are going in those sample bags. Then let's go ahead what we have for the Trendsetter. Never know the name of this box. Is the one that comes for age below 36 or something like that. I don't remember what was the limit age for their boxes. And let's go ahead and see what we have in this one. What are getting those who are younger. And here is the box. The box is similar and comes with the same card in the same print paper. And it seems like there are a couple different items in here. Here is the box inside. And in this one We have Hello Fluoride Free Whitening Toothpaste. Is the activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. I remember I tried recently one of these and I didn't like it, but maybe this one is different. We'll see what my daughter says about. Then we have a Biore all-in-one Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal, great for oily skin. Charcoal cleansing micellar water. So is this one. This one comes with 2.5 fluid ounces, which is 73 milliliters. The toothpaste comes with 1 ounce, which is 28 grams. So this is a new product, at least for me. Then we have in here a Maybelline, and this one is Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Is this one. I'm not gonna open this one, maybe my daughter wants to use it. We have the same lip mask from So A, my Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. We have the same Nivea Moisture Soothing Moisture in 0.14 fluid ounce with aloe, which is 4 milliliters. We have the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. We have a mask from Freeman, Feeling Beautiful Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. Instantly refreshes and brightens your nourished skin. Leave-on mask for all skin types. Freeman comes with so many different masks. Then we have the same Maybelline mascara, the Great Lash one. And another and two more products in here, and those the cards with the information. We have from La Bella Soothing Shampoo and Smoothing Shampoo with avocado oil, and the Max Hold Styling Gel with avocado oil. Looks like this. And the last product in here is the same Kleenex wet wipe. So this is the Trendsetter box. So far a wet wipe, this shampoo and styling gel for your hair, a face mask from Freeman, the micellar water from Biore, a toothpaste from Hello, the Cetaphil Eye Gel Cream, the 48-hour moisturizer from Nivea, the hydrogel lip patch from So A, the mascara from Maybelline, and the eyeliner from Maybelline. So this is all in those two boxes from Walmart, the full boxes. Here is the color for this season. So far they are okay in my opinion for the price. For $5 I think it's not bad, and some of the products are really nice. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.